A few means a small number of things or people that you can count. It shows there are some, but not many. Use a few only with countable nouns like apples, books, or friends. Use a few when talking about a small number of things or people that you can count. For example, a few apples, a few books, a few friends. A few means there is at least one, but the number is small and positive. Here are correct examples with a few. A few apples, a few books, a few friends, a few chairs, a few students, a few dollars. All these nouns can be counted, so a few works perfectly. A few means some, and it has a positive meaning. Few means not enough, and it has a negative meaning. The article a makes all the difference in meaning. A few friends means you have some friends, which is positive. Few friends means you do not have enough friends, which sounds negative. The same rule applies to all countable nouns. A few students means some students came, which is good news. Few students means not many students came, which sounds disappointing. Always think about the feeling you want to express. A few books means you have some books to read, which is positive. Few books means you do not have enough books, which is negative. Practice this difference to speak English correctly. Remember these two key rules. A few equals some with positive meaning. Few equals not enough with negative meaning. Use a few for good news, few for bad news about countable nouns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.